Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now we're going to make some DIY shooting targets. First you need some metal plates and this pillow black bearing. I have two pillow black bearing, but we're going to use only one pillow black bearing. Actually, I buy this small black bearing first, but unfortunately the size of the pipe didn't, or should I say, doesn't fit. I got two pipes here, but of course we're only gonna use one pipe only. We're gonna need some tools in case we need it: riveter, blind rivets, and of course our brushless driller. Some small bolts in case we need it, and of course oil for our black bearing. And some reserve battery in case we got low bat. Making your own gel blaster targets can be both rewarding and practical project. Not only does it gonna give you freedom from choice of material and size, but also allow you to save money in the process. Now we're going to size up the pipe here, and it fit in our plate. Practical. Yes, it's practical because buying shooting targets of gel blaster is kind of expensive, if you know what I mean, right? My estimation of this of all this material that we're gonna use in this making of these shooting targets is only gonna cost maybe around 500 pesos only. Yeah, it's only around 500 pesos. The plate is not expensive. This cost me around 125, and the black bearing is only if you buy in this market, it's only gonna cost you 200 pesos. So 150 to 200, it's around 350. And the other materials that I buy, bolts and some of the etc., it's around 150. So it's going around only for 500 pesos. So it's so cheap. Making homemade shooting targets is not just about crafting, it's about adding personal touch to your gel blaster experience. What I'm doing right now is putting some lines so the brace for our pipe is perfectly aligned for our bearing. Now we're going to lock in the pipe in our bearing. As you can see, there's a cut on our plate. The purpose of it is to tighten the gap in space for our pipe to the brace and more stability to our spinning target. Now we're going to put some oil for more spinning power and for also the maintenance. Now it's time to print some design on our spinning target. May isang pagtiro ko. Active power.